To keep your Mazda 3 GPS navigation up to date, you'll have to make periodic upgrades. Here's how to do this for both Windows and Mac users. Visit the link below to download the upgrade for Windows or Mac. Let's start with Windows. First, download the Mazda Toolbox and open the Mazda Toolbox setup file to install. You'll be prompted to save the map data to your SD card. Once the Mazda Toolbox is installed, follow the prompts and insert the SD card into your computer's SD card reader. Select Register from the menu and create a user profile. Once you've signed in, you'll automatically be notified of new maps and prompted to update. We recommend choosing to perform the backup option prior to updating your SD card. Now to upgrade for Mac users. Go to the Mazda Toolbox page and select Download Mazda Toolbox, then download for OS X. Once downloaded, go to your Documents folder and open the Mazda Toolbox package file and follow the instructions. Once you've installed the Mazda Toolbox, insert your SD card into your computer and open the Mazda Toolbox program. You'll be prompted to download the latest content. Select this to begin the update. Once completed, select Exit Toolbox and remove your SD card. For further assistance, please see your Mazda dealer.